Hi, at the Defence and Security Accelerator, we want to invite you to an event to help inform MOD customers of future innovation, development and procurement options. The lessons from the Defence Suppliers Forum and numerous defence reviews tells us that there's a greater chance of getting what we in defence want if we engage with industry from the outset. Now that might sound a bit like marking your own homework, but in reality, it means you can tell us if the problems we face can actually be met by UK innovators or are within the art of the possible. Such an approach also gives you early consideration of the necessary supply chain and export potential, as well as alternative and more agile pathways to defence integration through systems integrators, mid-tier companies or defence prime contractors, in addition to the traditional MOD procurement routes. So throughout November, we'll be running early market engagement workshops in Bristol, London and Newcastle, allowing UK innovators to help us curate two problem statements. Those two technology areas are fast engines, that's low cost, low maintenance and high efficiency engines predominantly for uncrewed aerial systems, and low cost and accurate position, navigation and timing for GNSS denied areas, also predominantly for uncrewed aerial systems. The outcomes of these workshops will help inform MOD, end users and customers about their procurement approach and where innovation may assist with this. So we're busy preparing strategic cross-defence challenge statements to socialise with you at these events. And if you think you can help us to refine this into something that's achievable, want to work collaboratively to increase the robustness of the supply chain, boost exportability and consider alternative industry-led routes to defence integration, we want you to come along. This is the start of a radical pilot to make sure we're asking for things that are achievable, can engage the tremendous talents of UK industry throughout the process and increase the likelihood of defence adoption and growth potential for those organisations taking part. So follow the link below to request attendance for your organisation by the 31st of October and we'll see you there.